Hey there, in this video I'm showing you how to create a quick LinkedIn banner. If you look at your LinkedIn profile, if you don't currently have a customized LinkedIn banner, it just shows up as blue at the top here. This is the default banner that comes with your LinkedIn profile if you haven't changed it. The reason why it's important and helpful to have a customized LinkedIn banner is that it helps add a visual to your profile. LinkedIn is social media at the end of the day. Many people are here and they're not necessarily taking the time to read and getting to know you through the various sections on your profile. So giving them a quick visual helps them understand, okay, this is what this person does. And so to be able to create your own banner, you will go on canva.com. I'm currently using the free version because I want to show you that you don't necessarily need to get Canva Pro and pay the additional fee for this. You can get some templates even with the free version of Canva. So you will type in the search LinkedIn banner. And you will see that there are tons of templates that are available for you that are already sized appropriately for you to create your LinkedIn banner. And just to keep in mind, if you're using the free version of Canva, then you want to use the templates that don't have the Pro in the corner. So you can scroll through this and there will be various options that you can choose from. You ultimately want your banner to align with your branding. You want your banner to align with what you do as a professional. So by looking at these various banners, you can see what inspires you, what aligns with what you do, and which one communicates your background and your expertise. Let's say we're going to choose this one. I will give you a couple of things to keep in mind for this one. As you can see here, this is the template, right? But this template is problematic. And the reason why I tell you that is on LinkedIn, if we go back to where we were, your picture is right at the corner here. So you want to keep in mind that any text that you put behind here will not be seen. So for example, them having a second picture right there, it will get cut out because of the profile picture that's already there. So if you're using this template, you would need to move the picture to the right side, for example. And also, something to keep in mind with your LinkedIn banner is that most people are using LinkedIn on their phone. So once you create your banner, you want to make sure that it looks good on desktop, but you also want to check how it looks on mobile. Are people able to read the text on mobile as well? And is it visible on mobile as well? So these are some of the considerations when you're choosing your template or when you're adjusting a template. So we're going to adjust this one, keeping in mind some of the things I just shared with you. So for example, this picture needs to move to the right because on mobile and on the desktop version, it won't be clear. So I'm moving the name and the text and all that right to the middle here. And that way the picture will be able to go here. And this picture will go on that side. So I'm just going to make sure it is centered. There you go. And then we will be able to put a name. So let's say Anna Marquez. So just making this up. And for your LinkedIn banner, you have the opportunity to add a branding statement. You have the opportunity to add a significant achievement that you've had, or just keywords that relate to the work that you do, or even your job title. For this person, let's say we want to put a headline. Let's say we're going to put human-centric leader putting people first. So that's their headline. And then they don't have a website or email or anything like that, so we'll just skip that. So that will be their banner. Something to keep in mind, this font may be challenging to read on mobile, so I'm just going to change the font for something that is easier to read. There you go, and then we'll reduce the size. There you go. So we have Anna Marquez, and human-centric leader, putting people first. So just because I like that things go in the right direction, I'm going to flip this picture because ultimately you want the person to be looking at the person who's looking at the profile. So initially, if you look previously, she was looking in the wrong direction, but now she's making eye contact once we flip it. So there you go. We can increase the size for this. And if you're like a speaker or you do workshops or you facilitate, maybe you want to put a picture of you with the microphone in your hand, or you want to, you work in a lab. It could be a picture of you at the lab. Like, make the banner represent who you are and what it is that you do. So let's now download our banner. So we are going to just choose right here, download. And then from there, we have our LinkedIn banner. And we'll go back to LinkedIn. And you'll just click on the photo right here, and then it'll give you edit profile background, and you will be able to see the picture right here of the banner that we just created. You'll align it to the space that you have available, and then from there you click apply. And as you can see, the name and the headline show up right there. It's not being blocked by this circle, which is the photo, and the picture is also showing up clearly as well. So these are some of the things that you want to keep in mind when you're creating your LinkedIn profile banner. If you're in the process of updating your LinkedIn profile, check out this video right here. I share the 6 elements for a successful LinkedIn profile. I'll see you in that one. Take care.